Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro is the most capable ultralight drone on the market. It weighs just 249 g with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, however, which pushes flights beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. We especially like the APAS function, which helps the drone navigate through complex spaces all by itself, even at low altitudes. If you've looked at the Mini 3 and wanted a bit more, the Mini 4 Pro is a sensible step-up option. Drone enthusiasts, cinematographers looking to add a B camera for aerials, and creators who don't mind spending a bit more for smart obstacle avoidance should find the Mini 4 Pro to be a worthwhile upgrade. It's also a good match for TikTok influencers because it supports vertical 9:16 video. Under 249 g, no registration is required. 1. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. Unleash stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Uninterrupted flights with extended battery life. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Immerse in real-time aerial footage with 20 km FHD video transmission. 2. An essential for long flights and great high-quality visuals. Experience lag-free image transmission, immersing yourself in real-time aerial views like never before. Customize intelligent tracking with ease. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started and capturing smooth videos is effortless. Includes DJI Mini4 Pro, DJI RC2, 134 minutes flight time battery, and more. Get precise control with DJI RC2 featuring a bright screen. Monitor essential info in real time while flying the drone. Notes: the relevant regulatory requirements may vary depending on how you use your drone. For your safety, be sure to check and strictly follow the latest local laws and regulations before flying. Immersive flight experience. Unlock immersive flight with DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI Goggles 2 or DJI Goggles Integra, sold separately. Enjoy the real-time camera view transmitted from the aircraft and control the flight with just a slight turn of the wrist, delivering a new and exciting FPV flight experience. Number 2. DJI Mini2sa. The DJI Mini2sa is the best drone you can get for less than $350. It sports a stabilized 2.7K video camera that snaps 12MP photos, and also includes GPS and Find My Drone functions. Its 249 g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the Mini2sa's nearly half-hour flight times, stable performance at its 400-foot altitude limit, and reliable connection to the required smartphone app. We just wish DJI had managed to build in obstacle detection sensors. The Mini2sa is the drone to get if you're just starting out and want to record ultra-smooth 2.7K 30 footage from the air. RAW format imaging is also available for photogs who like to post-process. Lightweight and portable. The drone is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Beginner-friendly, with simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Extended flight time. Enjoy longer flights with DJI Mini2sa, which offers a 31-minute max flight time. Combo offers 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, 3 in total, for up to 93 minutes of total flight time. Explore and create more. Just a few taps for epic imaging. The DJI Fly app has easy-to-use shooting templates that allow the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. Advanced transmission range. Get a 10 km max transmission range to reliably fly farther and capture more. Compared to Wi-Fi, DJI OcuSync is significantly stronger, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities. 38 km per hour, level 5, wind resistance. DJI Mini2sa flies with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 km per hour, letting you fly and capture content more reliably in more places. Note, the DJI RC-in-1 cable, lightning connector, is located inside the RC-in-1 remote controller. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Number 3. DJI Air3. The DJI Air3 puts both a 24mm wide-angle and 70mm mid-telephoto lens on its gimbal-stabilized camera, giving pilots lots of creative options. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a boost for automated camera moves and follow-me flights, and makes the drone all but crash-proof for manual flight. Long battery life, sharp 4K video, and good still image quality complete the package. If you think the DJI Mini4 Pro's single camera is too limiting but don't want to spend a huge amount on the Mavic 3 Pro, the Air 3 is the in-between drone to get. It matches the Mini4 Pro's main camera in picture quality, so the second camera is the main reasons to upgrade. Capture breathtaking, immersive shots. DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options ideal for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens. Seize every moment. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase compared to DJI Air3. Capture satisfying photos without worrying about battery life. Enhanced safety. Worry-free flying. Fly confidently with Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests. Stunning 48MP images for high-quality crops. Air 3 captures impressive 48MP images, allowing for remarkable crops. Even quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. Immersive footage with rich details. Record stunning 4K/60fps HDR videos with the dual cameras. Experience breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. Stable O4 HD transmission for smooth flights. The 6-antenna array significantly improves video transmission. Enjoy a stable 1080p/60fps live feed up to 20 km, ensuring smooth flights with clear and reliable transmission. DJI Air 3, DJI RC-in-2, is the standard option and includes the drone, DJI RC-in-2 remote controller, 1 intelligent flight battery, and other items needed for flight. With DJI Goggles Integra, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI RC Motion 2, Air 3 is primed to give you an exhilarating first-person flight experience. Asterisk battery charger sold separately. It is recommended to purchase the DJI 65W portable charger or DJI 100W USB-C power adapter. Firmware update. The new Vision Assist feature provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions, and the new ActiveShots 360 degrees delivers enhanced subject tracking capabilities. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro's big 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile delivers class-leading footage and stills straight out of the camera. All-around obstacle sensors allow the drone to easily bypass obstructions, and integrated GPS keeps it steady in the air, and 35-minute flying times, in testing, make for safer flights. Film producers can upgrade to the Pro Cine, $4,799 edition to get a 1TB SSD, ProRes 422 video support, and the RC Pro remote, while anyone on a budget can opt for the $1,599 Classic edition, which drops the telephoto cameras and internal storage. The Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration and you need an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to bring along for location work. Hasselblad main camera Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. Medium telecamera Mavic 3 Pro camera drone has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS, 70mm equivalent, 3x optical zoom, f/2.8, 48MP, half-an-inch CMOS telecamera 166mm equivalent, 7x optical zoom, 28x hybrid zoom, f/3.4, 12MP. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APS 5.0 Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. 43-minute max flight time Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. DJI Air3 Plus Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. Includes DJI RC and 1 battery. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's a great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. Firmware upgrade: the new Vision Assist provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. The 70mm medium telecamera now supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes, expanding post-processing space. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is the drone for pilots who aren't satisfied with the starter camera on the affordable DJI Mini 2 but can't quite justify the Mini 4 Pro. Highlights of the camera include support for 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as 60 degrees of upward tilt. The photo quality is good, too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration, you just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the 38-minute flight times, though we wish DJI had worked obstacle detection into this model. Creators who want a dual-aspect drone for TikTok and YouTube should consider this drone. It conveniently streams live video straight to a smartphone app, is capable for stills, and remains stable even when you fly it near the 400-foot altitude limit. If you don't want to spend quite so much, $560 with a remote, the Mini 2 is the best alternative. On the other hand, if you can spend more, the Mini 4 Pro adds useful obstacle avoidance sensors. Lightweight and compact, Mini 3 weighs under 249 g, perfect for taking with you on your adventures, from hikes, road trips, and beach days. Extended battery life: with up to 38 minutes of battery life, you can take Mini 3 out at every stop along the way or fly long flights without worrying about the battery. Stunning imagery: film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. Capture details in highlights and shadows, both day and night. Capture height: be social. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok.